Good morning, student. I am Dr. Lokesh Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Research Short Video. Today we are not talking about any topic related to research, but yes, we are talking about the important thing that is related to objective questions. So many times we are facing challenges to answer the questions, and or even after seeing our key, we can easily identify the answer, but we are not aware about the why this answer comes. Okay, in this continuation, we discuss the questions that is comes on competitive exam. So this first question is comes on GATE 2021 exam. So if you read this question, there are the important thing. Which technique allows researcher to conduct an integrative statistical analysis of multiple independent study addressing the same question. If we read this question, there are two or three important points we have to highlight. The researcher to conduct an integrative statistical analysis. So in this case, we just integrate the already analysis results. Okay. So and multiple independent studies. Obviously, there are multiple independent studies, but they addressing the same question. If we integrate already published research articles or already published researches, or we just integrate these independent research through our integrated statistical analysis, it means we are using the meta-analysis. The right answer for this question is meta-analysis. Why only the meta-analysis is the right answer? Because in correlational research, we just identify the correlation between our variables. It may be two, or it may be, if suppose multiple correlations, obviously there are more than two variables. There are several independent and one dependent variable in multiple correlation. Or maybe suppose in canonical correlation, there are obviously the two set of variables, or we just identify the relationship between two sets of variables. So again, it's the relationship between variables, not in several independent studies. But in case of regression analysis, again there are lot of variables, means there are maybe one independent, one dependent, or maybe one dependent or several independent variables. And bootstrapping is not the right answer, because bootstrapping generally we use whenever we have the data. Suppose we have a data of 1000 individual, or we just want to see if suppose we just increase the data up to 10,000, so what is our possible or expected result. So bootstrapping is generally to enhance our sampling and the expected result. So these are wrong answer, and meta analysis is only the right answer. And second question, using archive analysis. So first of all, we understand the archive analysis. So at the time of the archive analysis, obviously we use the previous published work. Published means suppose there is some books, magazines, diary, newspapers, published articles, or maybe some writings, or sometimes it's letters as well. Suppose we are interested in the historical researches, so obviously we just see the letters communicate for the using for the communications purpose. Obviously in upcoming years we just identify, or we just use an archives as our social networking posts as well. तो फ्यूचर्स में हो सकता है कि हम ये सब करें, बट यस प्रेजेंटली वी जस्ट यूज द archives like magazines, diaries and newspapers. Okay, the right answer for this question is A. Why it's not B? Because B is the only survey of representative sample of a member. So obviously we just go on present scenario, we just go and see the society. It's not a archives research. Okay, so we are not going to see any previously published or work in this sense. Okay, and the third option obviously again is wrong. Observing the behavior of a member of an society. So obviously we just go and observing the behavior of an individual is not a archive analysis. And comparing the direct observation of behavior of different culture. So again we just compare different culture. It's not an archive analysis. These are the questions. Okay, if you have any doubt, any query, or even you have any question that is related to research, obviously I take questions only related to research. If you have any competitive exam or you are interested to answers of a competitive exams question related to research, you can just post on my YouTube channel. I can taken care of these questions as well. And thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel, like video, and share this channel. Thank you so much.